Unbreakable One, the first 10 reasons why people go broke despite working. Chapter 1, Drinking and Smoking. There is drinking and smoking behind all the poverty problems. Alexander the Great was an emperor of the Greek kingdom of Macedonia, who had created the largest empires in ancient history. His territory stretched from Egypt to northern India then. He was known to be undefeated in battles and considered the greatest military commander. While he had lived an extremely successful life in general, his sudden downfall seemed to come with his heavy drinking habit. The ruler impulsively killed Cleitus the Black, who saved Alexander's life once at a battle. During a violent drunken altercation, it shows that Cleitus accused him of judgmental mistakes that night. The monarch deeply regretted his action, but his severe alcoholism likely started from that point. Alexander swam one day and developed a mild fever, possibly due to malaria. He spent more days only on drinking and passed away. He was 32 years old.